How to delete a message in NGL app. Hello everyone, it's me Bak, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can delete a message in NGL app. If any day you would like to delete a message in NGL app, at first you have to launch the very NGL application on your device. You can go to the search icon on your device and then search NGL out there. After you search NGL there, you can see the very NGL application on your device and then tap on it. After tapping on NGL application, the NGL application will be launched on your device. After the NGL application is launched on your device, here you have to tap on the option of inbox. After tapping on the option of inbox, now you can just tap on the message that you would like to delete. Now what you can do is you can tap on the message like this, and if you'd like to delete, you can just go to the buttons like here, and then you can go to the option of deleting it by just tapping there, and this way you can just do it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.